Hello students, welcome to ARK Reflections IAS. I am Anirudh. Before we get into the topic, I'd like to quickly tell you that for those who are writing Prelims 2026 this year, ARK Reflections IAS is currently running open full-length simulation tests with UPSC standard and UPSC timings absolutely free for all. Hundreds of students are already making use of this. Only 4 tests out of 10 are remaining. Enroll now and you can access the previous tests as well. So don't forget to make use of this opportunity. Let's talk numbers. The primary driver isn't just green sentiment, it's hard currency. India imports nearly 85% of its crude oil. By blending just 20% ethanol into our petrol, the government aims to save approximately $5 billion in foreign exchange every single year. In a world full of volatile oil prices, that is a strategic masterstroke for our trade deficit. Then there is the political economy. India is a sugar surplus nation. By diverting that excess sugar to the ethanol production, the government is turning a perishable crop into a green gold. This ensures timely payment to millions of sugarcane farmers, effectively turning the agriculture sector into extension of the energy sector. But here is where the physics kicks in. Now, is ethanol as powerful as petrol? The short answer is no. Ethanol is an alcohol and it has about 33% less energy density than pure gasoline. Think of it as a low-calorie fuel. To produce the same amount of power, your engine needs to cut down more of it. Is it cleaner? Yes, but it's less dense and that has more consequence. We are the first to try this. Brazil is the global benchmark. They have been running on high ethanol blends since the 70s and even offer E100, which is pure ethanol at the pump. But there is a fundamental difference. Brazil didn't just change the fuel. They changed the cars first. Their fleet is dominated by flex fuel engines designed to adapt any blend, and that brings us to the risk. Ethanol is hygroscopic. It loves water. It pulls moisture from the air, which can lead to the corrosion in your fuel tank, your fuel lines, and your engine. For older Indian vehicles, those built before the E20 compatible era, this is a hardware crisis waiting to happen. Rubber seals and metallic parts that were fine with pure petrol can perish under corrosive touch of alcohol. To scale this up, India is looking at 2 generations. 1G ethanol comes from food, meaning that sugarcane and rice. It's easy to make, but triggers the food versus fuel debate. Can we afford to burn the rice when food prices are rising? The solution is 2G ethanol, made from agriculture waste, which is crop stubble. It solves the pollution from stubble burning and doesn't compete with our plates. But 2G technology is expensive and still in its infancy. Now look at the hidden cost, water. To produce just 1 liter of 1G ethanol from sugarcane, we consume a staggering 2,500 liters of water. In a water-stressed nation like India, this is an invisible water export. We might be saving on the oil import bill, but are we racking up a water debt that we can never pay back? It's a trade-off that few are talking about. Let's get to the bottom line for you, the driver. Because ethanol has less energy, your mileage will drop. On E20 fuel, expect an efficiency of roughly 7 to 10%. You might see a lower price at the pump, but you will be filling your tank more frequently. The question is, who is actually saving the money? You or the government's trade balance? Of course, we cannot ignore the climate. Ethanol is a renewable fuel. It burns more completely than petrol, significantly reducing carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon emissions. It is a critical pillar in India's net zero target by 2070. By decarbonizing the transport sector, we are making our cities more breathable, even if the transition is painful. The roadmap is clear. We've already hit E10. The target for E20 is 2025. Beyond that, the government is already eyeing at the pilots for E85 and E100. It is an aggressive, non-negotiable shift. The infrastructure is being laid and the fuel of India is being rewritten. So is the ethanol gamble worth it? Is it a complex balance of energy security, farm welfare and environmental goals pitted against engine longevity and water scarcity? There are no easy answers, only strategic choices. What do you think? Is this a masterstroke or a risk too far? Let us know your thoughts in the comment. Before you leave, I want to remind you that for those who are writing UPSC in 2027 or 2028, ARK Reflections IAS is starting a complete Prelims Mains Foundation batch this 27th April, where each and every subject will be covered in depth. For further details, call us at these numbers and our team will assist you. I'm Anirudh. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.